The alert system is a wireless monitor that illuminates on your motorhome's dashboard when the Brake Buddy is activated, telling you that the Brake Buddy is working properly. The system consists of two parts, the transmitter and the receiver. The alert system receiver plugs into the 12-volt outlet on the dash of the motorhome. When the Brake Buddy is activated in the towed vehicle, the receiver will illuminate. If the towed vehicle breaks away from the motorhome, the receiver gives an audible signal and flashes red. The audible will sound until the breakaway pin is reinserted. The transmitter plugs into the top of the Brake Buddy and sends a signal to the receiver when the Brake Buddy is activated. Plug the transmitter into the connections on the Brake Buddy. The antenna should point towards the motorhome. If you run into any problems or have questions, call the Brake Buddy experts at 1-800-470-2287.